Okay, good morning guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's start my exhaust fan. Okay, so exhaust fan is running EF1. Okay, we have an indication here. We can stop it here. Okay, let's run EF2. Okay, EF2 is running here. So that is manual operation from the HMI. Okay, let me stop. Okay, how about if I will go to automatic control? Okay, so I will put in automatic. Okay, so this is the time delay, the sequencing time for each exhaust fan. Okay, so it will alternate every 10 seconds. Okay, so as you can see here, you can also set the time if you want. Okay, so my training board is ready for automatic and manual operation for twin exhaust fan. Thank you.